Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Uber Eats quick fix step by step clearly. Open the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app opens, sign into your account or create a new one. Allow the app to access your location for more accurate restaurant suggestions. Browse the list of nearby restaurants or use the search bar to find a specific place. Tap on a restaurant to view the menu. Scroll through the menu to see available food options. Select the items you'd like to order by tapping on them. Choose any customizations or add-ons for each item, if applicable. Once you've made your selections, click on the Add to Cart button. When you're ready to check out, tap on the cart icon. Review your order to ensure everything is correct. If you wish to add more items, you can return to the menu. When satisfied, proceed to the checkout page. Select your delivery address or update it if necessary. Choose your payment method from the available options. You can add special delivery instructions if needed. Once you've confirmed all details, click on Place Order. After placing your order, you'll receive a notification about the estimated delivery time. You can track the status of your order in real time within the app. Wait for your food to arrive and enjoy your meal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.